How you guys doing? This is Andrew at FloryPB, and we're mid the pick and placer project. I am printing out more of the holders and just getting things prepped up on that. But I figured you turn my attention real quick to assembling or fully assembling the reflow oven. This is a Controleo 3 kit, and I bought the whole oven kit just for time savings and because it's my first time doing it. So there's enough for me to learn, in my opinion, without having to try to go through the process of learning to build it as well. Um, this is how it came as a kit. Came with this stainless steel plate, a Kodak micro SD, which seems quite unopened, so I guess thanks. Strange. Coupons. $10 off coupon PC or $10 off PCB way. Oh, and then their card. All right. No other or further instructions. Seems also pretty self-explanatory. I have this stainless steel plate. I have a couple screws. Not the best deburring job, in my opinion. A little sharp on the edges there. That's okay. This is quite expensive to buy it as not a kit, or to buy as an assembled kit. They do take their expertise at a premium, or they do offer their expertise in constructing this at a premium, I should say. And hopefully it pans out for me doing it this way. Basically, my rationale was I'm trying to get this thing assembled, or this assembly line put together to make these boards. And I'm more in it right now to get more product out and get more product on the shelf than I am to screw around with building DIY stuff all that much. So I saved a bunch of money on the pick and place machine by going with the Panda Placer instead of the Lumen PNP. So I splurged a little bit on the oven instead of building it myself with their kit. So I assume these two bigger ones in my kit go here into these rib nuts, and then that's the door flicker solenoid or servo. I'll pull this thing a little closer to me, and we'll readjust our stance here. So I guess that goes like that. It came with no instructions too. I don't know if there's any online. I'm just going to try to wing it and see what happens for right now. Okay. A little floppy. There's another bracket and 5 more tiny screws. So there's 3 screws there, and this has to somehow Oh, okay. Those 3 screws there, and this bracket, I think, goes there. Looks like they assembled it, tested it, and then took it apart for shipping to get it to fit back in the Black & Decker box. Okay. And see, a little assembly required. Pretty easy. I will say very, very easy, actually. My assumption is it's tuned, which is kind of the real hope I have. That like pops the door open to let it cool quicker to help stabilize itself. Alright, so let's slip this plate in. I assume it goes on that shelf. And there we have it. Just the whole unit assembled. Super simple. Gonna need to... I'll look up the instructions if there is any before I try to fire it. I don't know if I need to... I see a USB, micro USB. Ew. That's disgusting. I see a micro USB there or something like that. I didn't get any USB cables, so I'm really hoping this gets powered by the toaster oven itself, or else that would be really upsetting if it's not. It has a full-size SD card, and they gave me a micro SD card with a little... Okay. Maybe it's cheaper than a full-size, or just more useful? I don't know. Let me see. I gotta bring this upstairs, I think, to turn it on, or to put it through its paces, because I don't think I have the power here with everything else on to handle a microwave oven on top of everything. So I'm gonna put this off to the side for right now, and we will put a pin in this and get back to it in a little bit. I just want to cycle through this last bit. Alright, now it's done. Not yet, bud. It's 50 degrees C hot. What's that? Half a boiling? Like 110, 120? It's like 110. I cooked this side previously. Oven's working great.